Hi, all. We'll discuss the basic concepts of numbers, and this will be helpful to kids when appear for exams or for day-to-day math problem solving also. Okay, these I'm going to talk all the basic concepts only. Okay, first I will talk about the natural numbers. Okay, what are the natural numbers? The numbers which are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So these are called natural numbers. Okay. And what is the minimum natural number? Okay. That is 1 is the smallest natural number. In natural numbers, you don't have any negative numbers and you don't have 0 also. In natural numbers, you don't have 0. 0 is not there in natural numbers. But when we add 0 to the natural numbers, the numbers are called whole numbers. Those numbers are called whole numbers. So, whole numbers always start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. What is the smallest whole number? That is 0. 0 is the smallest whole number. So, when we add 0 to the natural numbers, that is called whole numbers. We'll discuss another concept of numbers, that is even numbers and odd numbers. Simple. Even number is any number which is divisible by 2. That is called even numbers. Even numbers start from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Okay. So if you take all these numbers, all these are divisible by 2. Okay. And what is the smallest even number? Smallest even number is 2. Okay. And the basic, if you see consecutive even numbers difference is always 2. The difference will be 2. What is the smallest even number? That is 2. This will come in many kind of competitive exams. Smallest even number is 2. What is odd number? It is just opposite to even number. Any number which is not divisible by 2, that is called odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, so on. So any number which is not divisible by 2 is called odd numbers. What is the smallest odd number? That is 1. Smallest odd number is 1. Now we'll discuss about the integers. Okay. What will fall under integers? Okay. Integers will start from 0. Right side of it you can have all natural numbers. So when you add 0 to the natural numbers, that called integers, and not only the positive numbers, you will have the negative numbers here. So integers will have 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. So 0 is the central point. Okay. So these are called as integers. Integers contain 0, right side of 0 all the positive numbers, and left side of 0 all the negative numbers. Now we'll discuss one more topic, that is this is also one of the most important topic when it comes to basic concepts of numbers, that is prime number and twin prime. First we'll talk about the prime numbers. Any number which is greater than 1 and divisible by 1 and the same number, those numbers are called prime numbers. Okay. Prime numbers will start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, so on. So here if you see, 2 is the even prime number. This will come in many competitive exams. What is the prime number which is even? That is 2. So if you take 2 is divisible by 2 and 1. And if you take 3 also, 3 is divisible by 3 itself and 1. Similarly 5, 7, 11, 13. So any number when it is divisible by 2 and the 1, that is called any number which is divisible by the same number and 1, that is called prime numbers. Okay. What is the smallest prime number? That is 2. What is the twin prime number? The basic condition, both should be prime numbers and their difference should be 2. Those are called twin prime numbers. Example 3, 5. Here 5 minus 3 how much? 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. But 5 is prime number, 3 also prime number. Similar way, 5, 7. Here also, when you subtract 7 minus 5, that is also twin prime. And similar way 11, 13. Here also, what is the difference between 13 and 11? 2. So this is the difference between prime number and twin prime number. When both prime numbers are continuous and they have the difference of 2, okay, that is called twin prime number. What is the smallest prime number? That is 2. So these are the most important concepts of the prime number and twin prime number. This will be helpful for enhancing math skills, and it will be useful for many kind of competitive exams. Thank you.